Welcome back, students of math. What we have here is the rational functions, vertical asymptotes, or point of discontinuity, part 2. So I'm not even really going to try and produce the graph here. All I'm really trying to do is identify, are there any vertical asymptotes or are there any points of discontinuity? And if so, where are they? And that's all I'm going to do. So what are we going to do first here? Well, step 1, okay, factor. Okay, get this thing all nicely factored. So I'm going to take out a common x on the top. Okay, so there's that done. And on the bottom, I can see it's a difference of squares. So I'm going to go ahead and factor that. So x and x. And then we have a plus 5 and a minus 5. So I can see, aha, there are two non-permissible values. There is 5 and there is negative 5. So at these locations, I have either vertical asymptotes or a point of discontinuity or maybe one of each. So let's have a little look. Well, if I were to go ahead and simplify, I would cancel the x minus 5's. And so right away I can see, well, this canceled. Okay, so at the positive 5, the one that canceled on me, that is a point of discontinuity, or this is a hole. There is a hole in the graph. Where is the hole in the graph? Well, it's at 5. And now what I got to do to figure out where the hole in the graph is I got to look at my simplified version. See, in this new function, the simplified function, plugging in 5 is okay. It doesn't cause any big problems. In the original, 5 is trouble. You know, it's going to cause a 0 in the denominator. But here, if I plug in 5, I get 5 over 5 plus 5, so that's 5 over 10, or 1/2. So guess what? There's a hole right there, dear Liza. Anyway, moving on to negative 5. That didn't cancel. Negative 5 is still a problem. So guess what? There is a vertical asymptote at the location x equals negative 5. That is a vertical asymptote. And that's all there is to it. You know, if you wanted to, I mean, you could try putting some of this information into a graph, and you know, it's giving you details about the graph. But that's not what this example was all about. I didn't really want to get into what does the graph look like. So that's where I'm going to stop, and we're going to come back and talk about horizontal asymptotes. All right?